Welcome back to On This Day in History. Today, we're diving deep into a landmark piece of American legislation signed on June 23, 1972. It's a law whose full name, Title IX of the Education Amendments of 1972, sounds rather academic, but its impact? Nothing short of revolutionary, particularly for girls and women across the United States. Before this day, gender discrimination was simply woven into the fabric of American education. From classrooms to college campuses, opportunities for girls were systematically limited, often subtly but undeniably. Imagine a time not so long ago when girls were actively discouraged from pursuing certain academic fields like science, engineering, or even medicine. Scholarships were disproportionately awarded to boys. In sports, the disparities were stark. If girls had teams at all, they were often underfunded, lacked proper facilities, and were relegated to inconvenient practice times, or worse, received no support whatsoever. Girls were told their role was primarily domestic, not athletic or intellectually competitive. Enter Title IX. This federal civil rights law simply states, "No person in the United States shall, on the basis of sex, be excluded from participation in, be denied the benefits of, or be subjected to discrimination under any education program or activity receiving federal financial assistance." While brief, its implications were massive. Authored by figures like Senator Birch Bayh and championed by Congresswoman Patsy Mink, a trailblazing woman of color herself, Title IX was enacted with the fundamental goal of creating equal educational opportunities for all, regardless of gender. Though not exclusively about sports, Title IX's most visible and profound impact was undeniably in athletics. The numbers tell an incredible story. In 1972, fewer than 300,000 girls participated in high school sports. Today, that number exceeds 3.4 million. Collegiate women's sports also exploded, moving from a handful of participants to hundreds of thousands across a vast array of disciplines. Overnight, schools and universities that received federal funding were mandated to provide equitable opportunities for both sexes. Scholarships became available, coaching improved, and facilities developed, transforming the landscape for female athletes across the nation. But Title IX's reach extended far beyond the playing fields. It fundamentally altered access to academic programs, opening doors for women in fields traditionally dominated by men, from law and medicine to engineering and STEM disciplines. Critically, it also became a powerful tool in addressing sexual harassment and assault in educational settings, requiring schools to take action to prevent and respond to such incidents to ensure a safe learning environment. It influenced school admissions policies, ensuring fairer treatment. Critically, it also became a powerful tool in addressing sexual harassment and assault in educational settings, requiring schools to take action to prevent and respond to such incidents to ensure a safe learning environment. Of course, such a sweeping change didn't come without challenges and ongoing debates. Its interpretation has been a continuous process, leading to numerous court cases and policy adjustments, particularly concerning areas like transgender athlete participation or the precise definition of equity. Some argued about reverse discrimination or cuts to men's non-revenue sports. Yet, despite these complexities and ongoing discussions, Title IX has overwhelmingly been a force for positive change, facing down resistance to create a more equitable educational system. Today, Title IX stands as a testament to the power of legislation to reshape society and unlock human potential. It hasn't solved all issues of gender inequality, but on this day, June 23, 1972, it laid a bedrock principle that every student, regardless of gender, deserves a fair shot at education and opportunity. Its legacy is seen not just in Olympic medals and professional sports leagues, but in classrooms, boardrooms, and every realm where women now thrive, building on the foundation of equality it helped establish. For more deep dives into history, make sure to follow us.